Hello friends, welcome to my channel Electrical Master. This is the another video of our Electrical Master. We are going to discuss about difference between lightning arrestor, lightning rod and surge arrestor. Let's go to the video. See now, most of the people we are thinking this lightning arrestor, surge arrestor and lightning rod, all these we are used for the same purpose to protect our electrical equipment from the lightning stroke. But it's almost right, but each these three equipment we are using for the another different purpose also is there. So this video we are talking about that things only. The first one is lightning arrestor. See this lightning arrestor, it is used to protect our electrical device from the high voltage from lightning. So lightning arrestor, it's the name itself clearly mentioned, it is used for the preventing the lightning high voltage to enter our electrical circuit. See this picture, this is the lightning, this is the transformer CT. We are protecting with the lightning arrestor, and lightning arrestor it has a two terminal. One is for the high voltage terminal, another one is the ground terminal, and it is only used for the overhead line. So where we are using this lightning arrestor, like high raised towers, electrical towers and transmission tower, high voltage transmission line, these areas we are using this lightning arrestor. Now we will see how this lightning arrestor is working. Now we understand purpose, how it is working we will see here. For example, you can see here this is the high raised transmission line and it carrying that high voltage like 11 kV or 33 kV or like that high voltage, and this 33 kV will connected to the transformer and it is distributed to the low voltage level. Okay, suppose this transmission line does not having the lightning arrestor. At that case, when lightning is happen, so lightning stroke is happen, so it producing the high voltage. We know lightning is producing enormous number of voltage and current, so it will directly enter to our transmission line. So the transmission line carrying that lightning high voltage, so it will connected to our transformer, so that high voltage enter to our transformer, it will impact on our transformer to making windings getting overheated and it chance for the blaster, it will get blasting over. Okay, how we can avoid these things? We are introducing the lightning arrestor. It's connected in between that transmission line and transformer. At that time, if it is carrying the high voltage, that high voltage will enter. This lightning arrestor will sense that high voltage and take that high voltage to the ground. See this picture. This is lightning arrestor. It is two end. I already told. One is the high voltage, another one is the low voltage end or grounded. So normal time this lightning arrestor act like a open contact, and whenever the lightning stroke is happen, it sends that high voltage and it will close this contact here and it sends that high voltage to the ground. How it is sensing this high voltage? It is sensing by use of the MOV, also called ZOV. It is metal oxide varistor or zinc oxide varistor. The purpose of this varistor is it's sensing the high voltage. At normal time the voltage level is default like rated voltage. This varistor having keep high resistance in between the two terminals. Whenever it the voltage is very high or current is very high, this varistor it act like a reverse. Immediately it reduces resistance, act like a perfect conductor, so that high voltage and current will directly enter to this lightning arrestor and it is connected to the ground. Okay, now you understand how lightning arrestor is working. Now we will see lightning rod. This lightning rod concept is almost same. It is also prevent that lightning high voltage enter to our electrical equipments, but that purpose is same, but the way of executed is different. See here, lightning rod, there will be a similar type rod is fixed in that top side of the building. Mostly this lightning rod protection we are using for the high-rise building. Example like Dubai, Burj Khalifa, or France Eiffel Tower, like high-rise building, we are installing this lightning rod. So whenever the lightning stroke is happen, at the time there is chance for lightning high voltage will attack our high-rise buildings. So at the time it will catch that high voltage lightning voltage and directly it will connect it to the ground. From the ground strip conductor, it is connected to the separate earth pit of this lightning rod. So high voltage it will come, it will directly carry that high voltage to the ground. So whatever the equipment we are connected inside that building, it will be safer. In case if you are not connecting this lightning rod, that high voltage directly enter to our building. At the time what are the electrical equipment is inactive, like AC, TV, whatever the things, it will completely collapse. So now you understand what is the purpose of lightning rod. And third is a surge arrestor. Surge arrestor is entirely different from the lightning arrestor and the lightning rod concept. Surge arrestor we only used for like inside the plant protection, or even our domestic application also we are using this surge arrestor. The purpose of surge arrestor is, it's whenever this surge current or surge voltage will come, at the time it separate that surge voltage from that live line, and that surge voltage will be connected to the ground. For example, there will be some generating station, it producing the rated voltage is 11 kV to the transformer. Okay, so at the time suddenly that transmission line it's carrying the 12 kV voltage to enter to the 11 kV transformer. Before entering that transformer, we are keeping surge arrestor. So surge arrestor will sense that high voltage, that 1 kV is extra in that rated voltage. So only that surge arrestor separate that 1 kV from that rated voltage, and the remaining 11 kV will automatically go to the transformer, and that extra 1 kV will be go to the ground. This is the way surge arrestor is working. See clearly how the surge arrestor is separate that extra voltage from the transmission line. Here the working function also similar to the lightning arrestor. There is also we are using the MOV. Here also we are using the same MOV, metal oxide varistor. At normal time the rated voltage will come, the varistor will keep high resistance in between that contact, and whenever that high extra voltage will come, the varistor will reduce the resistance value and keep that surge arrestor in conductor. So it will absorb that extra voltage connected to the ground, and rated voltage will go to the connected equipment. Moreover, the surge arrestor we are using for the low voltage, even 440 volt also we are using. For our home, you can see here many of the homes we are using surge protected socket. So it is help to prevent entering that high voltage, like normally our house we are using 240 volt. Sometimes there is chance for 300 volt or 280 volt will enter. Our connected equipment like laptop or system, it will get damaged. For if you are connecting the surge arrestor socket, this surge arrestor automatically prevent that extra voltage, high voltage enter to our socket. So 300, if it is 240 volt socket, 300 volt will come, 60 voltage automatically it will drop to the ground, and rated 240 volt only enter to our the circuit. So this is the purpose surge arrestor we are using. So now you will clearly understand what is lightning arrestor, what is lightning rod, and surge arrestor. If you have any doubt, write it in the comment, and if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.